Well, I was trying to create a barbecue out of wood instead of using coals, and now I've gone upgrade and put it on the fire and see if we can cook the steaks like this, because it's taking far too long. I think it's overdone there, so I'm going to move off the stones now. Good morning. Just thought I'd share this beautiful frosty morning with you. Freezing last night. Nice and warm in bed, but it's obviously been freezing through the night. Even so, I've got frost on the end of my hammock. Nice and glinting now. It's like tinsel or glitter. But yeah, it didn't get into the tent. Oh, yeah, it's not got any on, so maybe I was just a bit exposed at that end. Should have pulled this side down instead of being lazy. Where's the sun coming through the trees? There it is there. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh well. Time to light this fire. If I can get any embers out of it. Oh, I've made a type of Nordic stove here for individual cooking. At the moment I'm just warming water up to clean the cup out, so I can have my improvised Coke energy drink hot. Because I forgot my coffees and tea. Well, I didn't, I used them all up, I didn't bring enough. And I really feel like some sugar this morning, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll let you know if it tastes any good or not. Still freezing in the field. It's gone up to 2 degrees, but it feels, well, by a fire and getting a bit of sunshine feels a lot warmer. Okay, so we're at a Camparo today, and And this is why women live longer than men. Something I've always wondered about, and never had the opportunity to do it, but here goes. Can of soda, in this case Coca-Cola Energy, in a fire. What will happen? I'm going to retire to a safe space. Now when I boiled that one like a coffee, it was fantastic, really surprising. Let's zoom in, keep that in the bottom of the screen, retire to a safe distance hopefully. I'm guessing it's just going to shoot out of the bottom. Zoomed in as much as I can. Let's get you to see if it explodes or not. I'm guessing it'll just blow the cap and split it and shoot Coca-Cola in the air. But we'll soon find out. And if it only just boils, I've got a hot drink. I've got another experiment coming up soon too. Hopefully I've got enough life on my battery, and I'm going to try to boil an egg in an old bean tin. It literally took a minute to boil one of these with the lid open. It was so hot I couldn't drink it. Like I said before, this is why women live longer than men, so don't try this at home, anyone. This is what happens when you've got excess wood and excess provisions on camp. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, that was cool. Hey, now I've got a hot drink. Let's get a stick. There you go, the head's blown clean off of it. And like I said before, I've now got a hot drink. It's not quite coffee, but it's a good substitute. So that's the egg boiling in the water. It's been on for about 3 minutes now. My experiment is to put it into, get it boiling, take it off the heat, put the egg in, put it back on the heat for 6 minutes, time it 6 minutes. It should be perfect, soft centre, cooked white, and we'll see if this cooks as good as a frying pan. Not a frying pan, what am I on about, a saucepan or a stove at home. Okay, so I've peeled the egg. I'm going to try to see how gooey it is inside. Hopefully it'll be perfect. Gosh, so difficult holding the plate like this without having it on a table or a mat. The white's good. Now, some people don't like it that gooey. To me, that's perfect. On toast, crumpets, muffins, anything. Oh, that's the best egg I've ever cooked on camp. Better than fried eggs or scrambled eggs or omelettes, you know, you make do when you're on camp. I'm cooked in an old tin which I don't have to wash up again. So, another successful experiment. Take it easy, guys. Happy camping. Be free. Another good thing about being at Camp Arrow is you get to check out your own self-made targets. Not too shabby. Let's just see. Oh, it's a beginner's luck. Not too shabby if you ask me. Let's have a look at the state of the target. Now this is only 15-inch target, and the arrows have gone through around about 8 to 12 inches, and that's shot at roughly 25 meters, 20 meters maybe. Yeah, I think more like 25. It's absolutely lovely out here. Look at the weather. This was all covered in frost this morning. -2 degrees. And my hammock set up. Here it is. I've got a 1 tigress underquilt. I've got a frontline hammock, as you can see. I've got my OEX Evolution 3 hammock sleeping bag, and I've made a little sock for my hammock, or sock for my sleeping bag, to keep it extra warm. And if it gets cold like it did last night, I do the old trick of wrapping my toes up, the bottom half of my body up in my coat, zipping it up and using it like a sleeping bag, and it works really well. Really hot. I have been standing here today quite a bit of time trying to catch. I don't think you can zoom in anymore. Trying to catch the kingfisher that usually sits on that branch over there looking out for food. So peaceful here. Forgive the bad aiming. What I forgot to tell you was how I made the target. Now we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of the rubber styrofoam, or the rubber foam that you get in packaging, and it's stopping the targets pretty well. Obviously it could go through and hit the wood like it has there and stripped a little piece off, but it does that to normal targets anyway. But that cost me nothing, and I've just drawn a target on it. I've yet to hit the centre of the target, but you know, give me a few more times. I haven't I haven't shot the arrows for well over a year now, so give me a chance. Maybe you'll get a photograph with the bullseye. I never know. Well, it's been a great time camping here. And it's soon time to go. Good weekend, beautiful weather all weekend, Camp Arrow weather as usual. We never seem to suffer too badly from the rain. But just remember, come 18th of April, this site is open as Avon Camping, and you can book it through pitchup.com. So get your bookings in soon or they'll disappear fast. You know what it's going to be like? Don't rest on your morals. Bye for now. Happy camping.